Part one of a primetime news special report now, looking at what the garbage of Jamaicans tells us about our habits. First up, our love for sodas. The consumption of sugar, especially in sodas and other sweetened drinks, is an important challenge facing the country, as TVJ Shamela Mitchell now reports.
Plastic bottles galore. I am at one of the largest recycling depots in Jamaica. This depot receives thousands of soda bottles right across Jamaica on a daily basis. Laverne Salmon is the executive director at Recycling Partners Jamaica Limited. The company collects plastic bottles from all 14 parishes.
For the year 2015, we collected approximately 983,000 pounds of bottles. That equates to 2.4 million plastic bottles. For 2016, it was approximately 1.2 million pounds, and that is about 29 million plastic bottles.
At the Kingston office, Christoph Green, who logs the daily collection, says based on his assessment, 2/3 of what's coming into the depot are just soda bottles.
From January to December last year, we received approximately 19.5 million soda bottles, whereas since the beginning of January this year to June 2017, we have received 12.8 million soda bottles so far.
The proliferation of soda bottles evidence of what health officials say is a big problem. Jamaicans are having too many sodas. It's a problem the chair of the National Food Industry Task Force, Professor Fitzroy Henry, has been talking about.
Globally, boys and girls in Jamaica, say between the ages of 13 to 15, actually are among the top leaders in the world in terms of soda consumption. Right? Barbados follows in the Caribbean, then Dominica, Trinidad, and others.
The health consequences are serious and not just for teens. The consumption of excess sugar is linked to lifestyle illnesses such as diabetes and hypertension.
Each soda has about 30-35 grams of sugar in it, and the limit really should be for 25 grams for the entire day. And in one soda, they are actually consuming more than the requirement for the whole day. So you see what the challenge is.
And with these diseases, a big healthcare bill. It's why the health ministry has been considering how to discourage Jamaicans from having too much sugar, including discussions about taxes on certain sweetened drinks. While the discussions about what to do continue, the Education Ministry has already said, effective this September, the state-run Nutrition Products Limited will no longer supply bagged juices to public schools. Countries like Trinidad and Tobago, France, and some U.S. states have implemented rules to limit the use of sugary drinks. But in spite of all the talk, Jamaicans are clearly not letting up.
For example, in January 2016, we received approximately 2.4 million soda bottles, while in January 2017, we received approximately 3.8 million soda bottles, which is a 62% increase. So definitely we're seeing an increase.
Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.